Most students use ChatGPT the wrong way, and that's why you only have the information you need for your schoolwork. If you type one big question and expect ChatGPT to give you an answer to your whole topic, you are doing it wrong. That's like asking your lecturer to teach an entire semester in one sentence. It doesn't work. So here is the secret. You turn ChatGPT into your personal tutor. Make it teach you things step by step, just like in real class. And then let it know when to move to the next step, just like you do when you attend different lectures. Make sure you watch this video to the end and make sure you like and follow to get more tips. Let me show you how this is being done. Alright, let's get right into it. So just imagine you want to learn a topic in maths called sort, right? So how would you do it? And in normal sense, the biggest mistake you might do is to just type one big question, right? Just type one big question. So probably you say, teach me sort. Right. So you say teach me sort. So what is it going to do? It's going to just give you, it's going to try to give you just one response that carries all the information you need on sort. But definitely that's going to be very limited. Okay. So this is a big mistake. So what will you do? Instead of just typing one or expecting it to give you one response, let's make it to behave in a certain way. So I'll tell it, I want you to be my personal tutor in math. I want you to break down sort in detail and to a layman understanding. Make the tutorial interactive by explaining detail, giving me example, and also giving me quizzes. Right, the teaching should be in chunks. Give me the first chunk, and when I respond with next command, you go to the next chunk. Make the explanation as simple as possible. Okay, so yeah, I'm saying I want you to be my personal tutor in math. I want you to break down sort in detail and to level and understanding. Make the tutorial interactive by explaining in detail. Giving me example and also giving me quizzes. The teaching should be in chunks. Give me the first chunk, and when I respond with next, you go to the next chunk. Make the explanation as simple as possible. So now what is it going to do? It's going to break things down. So it's not going to rush and try to give me, like some every information at once or in one response, right? So now it's time just calm down, take things bit by bit, and try to explain it to a layman understanding, right? So now he has given me response. Nice. I'll be your personal tutorial, right? So you say chunk one fundamental. So it's giving me some fundamental and how to simplify. So it's giving me example, showing me how this is being solved, showing me a different method. Method to factor into perfect square, method to simplify. Right. So it gives me basic rules, like it breaks things down. It gives me quiz at the end of the day, and then if I say next, it takes me to the next stage and probably will make it a more complex one, right? So as you can see, compound sum. So it's giving me, so it's at every step is taking it more complex, right? So you can see with this, if you follow it in a day, you will definitely get to understand a particular topic in details, right? So that is just it. That is just a simple way of how you could get to understand sort and get to learn. I hope this helps. Like, follow, and also share. Send type a comment help if this helps you. Also, if you follow and also if you send the comments, I'm going to send you 5 sample prompts that I've used, that helped me. I've used it to learn a lot using ChatGPT. Thank you. and see you next time. Bye.